and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So there'll be links at the end. If you've not caught the Flavors of the Month reveal yet, you can check it out. Also, the exciting announcement that now with all of the kits, you're receiving a free cut file. So be sure to check that out and all the other kits. So we're going to look at, we have the cardstock add-on, the patterned paper, and the embellishment add-ons. All of these you can add to make your kits go even further. You can add just 1, 2, or all 3 of them. So as you can see, it's jam-packed full. So we're going to start, we're going to take a closer look at the cardstock. I'm going to move the embellishments away for a moment. And I'm going to leave the pattern paper up here so you can kind of see what collections they go with and how well they kind of coordinate with each other. I always get lots of ideas when I do this of like these papers here, or this one could go over here. This one could go with some of these that are the B-sides. So it's just a lot of fun to see all of them together. So starting with the cardstock add-on, you receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. You'll get one sheet of one color and 2 sheets of another. So this first one goes with Damask Love, and you're going to receive 1 sheet of yellow and 2 sheets of Caribbean Sea. For the Day in the Life collection from Echo Park, you're going to receive a sheet of Lovable, this bright pink, and 2 sheets of Sky. And then for the Echo Park My Favorite Spring Easter collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Winter Lake and 2 sheets of Blush, that beautiful blush pink. And then for photo play paper and another candle, you'll receive a sheet of green cardstock and 2 sheets of pink. Again, that's another bright pink, just beautiful. Lots of options there, so you can create backgrounds for your layouts or mat your photos, do some die cuts, pull out your dies or die cut machine or punches, and make some embellishments. The next one we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on. And with the pattern paper add-on, you receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the collections. None of these duplicate. There are 2 additional pattern papers. So for Damask Love, we have this one called Flower Power, which has a smaller daisy. In the Flavors of the Month, we had the big daisy, so now the smaller one on that blue-green. The back is a larger confetti. That paper is called, Flower Power. I think I told you that. This one's called Happy Thoughts with the speech bubbles, TGIF, wow, hello there, good vibes. The back is this, to me, it's a quilt pattern. You have the circle or the flower shape, depending on how you look at it. For Day in the Life from Echo Park, we have this paper that's for January. Those beautiful florals, again, that dark blue and that light blue together. The back are the cut-aparts, again with a 4x6, 4x4s, and the rest are 3x4s with lots of journaling options and tucks-ins. Love the clipboard Good Vibes Only with the flower pencil and the clip. This paper is October, so we have a gold plaid. The back, again, we have the days of the week, ledgers with the numbers, give it all you've got, daily life, yay for today, always make time for fun. For My Favorite Spring from Echo Park, we have this paper with all of the icons, rainbows, bouquet of flowers, the ducks, super cute. The back are little bees. This paper is called Spring Things. Then we have this large floral print, gorgeous colors. The back is a pink with white polka dot. That's called Mayflowers. And another candle from Photo Play Paper. We have this called Make a Wish, which are the birthday candles with all of the different patterned papers that are in this collection on the dark blue. The back are little sprinkles of circles. Then we have wrapping paper, which is the plaid design and the pink, the gold, yellow, and orange. The back are all these I don't know if you'd call those trapezoids, but the little shapes in all of the different colors. So let's take one more look at all of the patterned papers. Just so pretty. Okay, so that's your pattern paper add-on. Now let's take a look at the embellishments. For your embellishment add-on, you're going to receive more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with Damask Love, you're going to get not 1, but 2 rolls of washi tape. So these will vary, but I got the daisies on the light blue, and I got this scalloped watermelon and the lighter pinkish red. Just really pretty. Love both of those. For Day in the Life from Echo Park, you're going to receive the full sticker sheet. So this is a lot of fun. We have banners. I am having a hard time picking up today. We have banners up here. Hello, oh what a beautiful day. Create your own adventure. This banner with all of the quotes, the days of the week and the circles, a little pencil bag. Just lots of fun. Little icons and phrases for that one. For the Echo Park, my favorite, Easter or spring, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So they're all these spring colors. Let's see if you can see that better if I take it out. Okay. Just gorgeous colors. And for the Add Another Candle from Photoplay Paper, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but this is what I got. And I just love all of the sayings on this. Hope your day is filled with extra icing. If you lick frosting off a cupcake, it becomes a muffin, and muffins are healthy. Happy birthday. That totally fits me. Stop pretending to read the card. I know you're looking for money. Just a fun touch to documenting birthdays or making cards with these is a great option. So that's your embellishment add-on. One more look at all 3 of the add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. If you'd like even more pattern paper and embellishments, check out the Shots of Life. There will be a link here that you can watch that reveal, as well as the flavor of the month reveal if you haven't seen it yet. Check out all the other kits we have available and the individual items in the store. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.